I think one of my favourite things is being out on the water. It's definitely something that allows me to get my thoughts together, clear my head and kind of have a reset. The bank is a really nice place to walk into in the morning. You're greeted with the smiley baristas, you get your coffee first thing, you go up and you see your team. It's just a really nice place to work, and I think the people is what makes that. On my cohort there's 11 of us and we're all very good friends. We actually met 2 days before our grad programme started and went for drinks. So it was really nice because on our first day we kind of walked in and you kind of saw familiar faces. We've organised different trips. We've gone to jazz festival together. We've gone down to the Galway Christmas markets. We're all so close. It's kind of nice to know that there's someone in the bank who's going to be free for a coffee or for lunch, or even just to talk about their jobs, because when we were rotating, it was nice to kind of get a taste of what other grads did. The graduate programme is a 3-year programme. It's split into 2 18-month rotations. So I started in the Registry of Credit Unions, where I was regulating credit unions in Ireland, and now I'm working in banking regulation, so more specifically international banks. So I had another offer from one of the big accountancy firms, and when I was between the two of those options, the bank and the accountancy firm, I liked the idea that you had more autonomy over your further education in the bank. You can choose which masters you want to study or which path you want to go down. And I really liked that. That was very attractive to me because it gave me more flexibility to kind of research different masters programs and kind of find out what I actually wanted to do. The remuneration is very good. When I was comparing it to my other job offers, it definitely came out on top in that sense. In terms of the annual leave as well, again, very competitive. You have your set annual leave days, and then you can also take flexi days, which is when you build up additional hours. You can take another day off. I think you get 14 of those a year on top of your annual leave days. No, I think I've been able to excel here, both personally and professionally, beyond any expectation I would have had for myself. There's things I've done that I never thought I'd do, between presentations, going on work trips, just being able to network with people really easily now. It just comes naturally to me. And then just in terms of work, like technical things that I never thought I'd be able to do, I've been able to pick up through working here, through people teaching me in the trainings as well that are offered by the bank. When I think about my work and kind of the bigger picture of the bank's mandate, it's really good to know that you're actually working towards the public good and you're giving back. When you're regulating other banks, you know, you're protecting people's money and you're protecting financial stability.